Sometimes things happen when you're fishing, like hooking a bird. So this is how you get a bird off. Bring him to the boat best you can, and hopefully cooperate, but keep your line taut.
Yeah.
So John's gonna hold the line. You can hear him talking too. All right, so his head's covered now. And see the hook's just right through there, kind of like a fish. That easy. So here he is. See how calm they are now? He's laid down, he's fine. Just a little hook in there. Healthy. Accidental bird. Part of what happens sometimes. Let them go. Flying away. Nothing, like nothing even happened. Let's get some fish now.